The death toll from the strongest earthquake to hit China's southwestern Sichuan province since 2017 rose to 65 on Tuesday, as rescuers rushed to reach hundreds of stranded people, restore utilities and send emergency relief. Nearly 250 people were being treated for injuries from the disaster, with dozens critically wounded, according to Chinese state media. Rescuers are also working on retrieving over 200 people stranded in the quake zone. The powerful earthquake struck Sichuan after midday on Monday, with the epicenter deep in the province's mountainous interior in the west. The quake was felt as far away as the provinces of Shaanxi and Guizhou, hundreds of kilometers away. With heavy rains expected over the next 3 days, experts on Tuesday flagged risks from a number of dammed lakes that have formed after the quake. Earthquakes are common in Sichuan, especially in its mountain in the west, a tectonically active area along the eastern boundary of the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau.